welcome. In this video, I'll demonstrate how easy it will be for you to use our learning management system. First, let's sign in. The sign in window pops up, and from here, you'll be able to enter your username and password or your email address and your password. You'll also be able to reset your password here by clicking the option that says Forgot Login Details. Enter your email address, click Send, and an email will be sent to you with instructions on how to reset your password. Let's go back to the sign in option. Sign in. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your My Course page. This is essentially your home page. From here, you'll be able to see all the courses you have been enrolled in. You can start taking any course by selecting the Start Course button. Let's start this course. Once you begin a course, you must complete the entire course material. That means watching the full-length video, taking all the quiz or activities, as well as reading all the material. Click on the Start option again. The course now opens in a new window. You'll be able to take your course here, take the quiz, and you'll also be able to rate the course once you've completed. Should you decide you'd like to take a break, or if you're done for the day, you'll close by clicking the X. When you come back, you simply click to start again, and it will pick up right where it had left off if you were not done. See? Let's go back to the My Course page. On the blue banner here, you might notice you have 4 options. The support button. Should you need assistance, we have created a knowledge base for you with various articles to assist you with different actions. This number here represents the amount of points that you have accumulated by various activities, from logging in to taking courses to receiving certificates, all give you points. Your information is shown here. Should you click on the points, you'll see a leaderboard. The leaderboard will show you the top 5 performing learners on the platform at all times. The notification bell lets you know if you have new messages or alerts. This option here is the My Account option. Should you click on that, you'll be taken to the page where you can view your profile, your certificates, badges, and your training history. Let's go back to the My Course page. Remember, here you will see a status of all your courses, what has been completed, the courses that you're able to start. You can scroll through and see all the information you'll need here. And that is how you will be able to take your courses and navigate our LMS.